you have to learn to trust yourself first, before your life is really yourself, So bearing in mind that we are mostly memory replaying, we have to begin with understanding who are we? That's the first question. Who are we? Why are we here exactly? And any problems that we're having, like lack of trust. But the lack of trust, again, it's going to be based on whatever you heard at home, whatever mom and dad said to be successful or to be happy or to be whatever. You have to have A, B, C, D, right? And it's not their fault. They themselves were programmed, so they're running in memory themselves. And so this is probably your model. It's the same for all of us. The model for happiness is maybe making lots of money, maybe working in a job that you hate. You hate going to work on Monday morning. So it takes looking at, once you know how to do the cleaning, allowing for inspiration to come and maybe allowing to do something you love for an hour a week, And when you have the memory saying, well, that's not going to make me any money, or there's lots of other people doing it, who cares, right? Because you're doing it because you love doing it. And this is when the inner family, there's an adjustment between father, mother, and the child is being heard. The child is being allowed to, have a good time, do something that actually pleases you and that can really change things, without counting on it, without comparison, without expectation that anything else is going to happen more than your own enjoyment. Thank you.